Well, if you were awake for long enough Saturday night into Sunday, you had a chance to see some snow showers pick up in our northern counties, as well as part of the northern part of Victoria County as well. But mixing that snow shower with some of that sleet brings out this cool video. Thank you to Wendy Miller out in Azell, Texas for sending that in. But it's still going to be quite frigid here for the next couple of days. We pretty much break freezing for good here Thursday and Friday, but then a strong cold front rolls in between that. And it drops our temperatures down into the 20s once again. And we're looking at 21 here for Tuesday morning. So very frigid. That's why we have an excessive cold warning for these locations in blue. Areas in purple indicate a freeze warning, including us in Victoria. Well, why are they different? Aren't we all going to be freezing? Yes, it's just how the National Weather Service wants to categorize it, meaning that this is going to be closer into the teens in the low 20s versus down south where they're likely going to be more right on the mid 20s there. So temperatures going to be dropping here as we head through the nighttime here by 7 p.m. Within the next hour to 2 hours, we'll be right around the freezing number here for us as well. By midnight, we're already going to be in the 20s, 25 there for us in Victoria, getting to 21 up in Hallettsville, starting to get along the freezing number there on the coastal islands, but temperatures are going to be right around freezing there down in Rockport at 32 by 6 a.m. Watching for some teens farther up north around the I-10 corridor. As for us, we'll likely stay more around the mid 20s here, mid to low 20s across our region. And if you're farther down into the coastline, you'll be scraping the upper 20s into the low 30s here for us. But that's not it. We've going to go into a slight warming trend, but unfortunately another strong cold front's going to push down south here by Thursday night. So we can already see those strong northerly winds picking up there up in Gonzales and Nixon. It's 57 up there, 58 for us. And then, yeah, 4 a.m. Friday, we're dropping down into the 40s, getting to 49. Very strong winds, as you can see those arrows moving at a quicker pace. It's going to be quite breezy there for Friday, as well as temperatures getting up into the mid 30s to upper 30s here for us around the Crossroads region by 9 a.m. Friday, with temperatures capping out once again here in the low 40s and likely some more of the 50s along the coastline. But this is where things start to get interesting because temperatures are going to drop significantly Saturday morning. We're seeing our little friend, the upper 20s here once again, some mid 20s up north along the I-10 corridor. So going to be watching for another possible alert day for Saturday into Sunday, because it's going to be one of those, remember those 4 Ps, so make sure you wrap those pipes type of weather here for us. But we do break freezing, though, for Saturday as well as for Sunday. But Sunday is going to be one of our coldest mornings, as temperatures will already be in the 30s, some upper 20s. And then by 7 a.m., we'll be right around the mid 20s here for us at 25 there in Goliad, 22 up in Gonzales, right along freezing along our coastal islands. So we're not done with the cold weather just yet, but temperatures do end up wrapping up right around the mid 40s, mid to upper 40s, and some likely some 50s in some areas. So overall, yes, it's going to be feeling like a tundra down here for the next couple of days, even though we have a slight little warming increase. Any precipitation associated with the stuff on the weekend, it's not looking very likely. So we're just going to have to deal with the cold weather. It's nothing to completely freak out about, but just make sure that you wrap those pipes and protect those plants. Once again, if you they're going to become indoor plants. That's basically going to be their nature now for this week. So 49 for the high. Temperatures or winds will shift out of this east relatively here, as well as Cuero going to be starting off very cold. We'll see a little bit more sunshine as well for today, as well as Port Lavaca going to be seeing some of that as well, starting off in the 20s, getting right around 50 degrees for the high, with the winds shifting more out of the east. So alert day for tomorrow, because we do once again drop down into the 20s, as well as for the morning being very frigid. Wednesday, we get into the 50s. Then we start to scrape some of the 60s here with a little 20% off the coastal trough. Not really going to be doing too much for us, but we do have that up there. And then the front rolls in Thursday night into Friday, and then temperatures once again will drop back down into the 20s. And for Saturday, we have a possible alert day, because notice that 25 there for Sunday. Now, don't forget to scan the QR code for more news, weather, and sports. And here's Shauna.
All right, good.